Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this super fast heart. This super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. First, we are going to create a magic ring. Then chain 1. And now chain 3. Now we do 3 double crochets into the ring. Okay, chain 3, then 3 double crochets into the ring. And now we do 4 half double crochets into the ring. As you can see, this is the half of the heart, so now we do 1 double crochet. And now we are going to work as we did before. So, first 4 half double crochets into the ring. Then we do 3 double crochets into the ring. Now chain 3, then join with the slip stitch into the ring. All we have to do now is to pull the little tail to close the ring. And this is the little heart, but now we are going to create a nice finish. So to create a nice finish, first we move until we reach the first double crochet using a slip stitch. So this is the first double crochet. So now we do 1 single crochet into the next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now pay attention. Into the next stitch we do 1 single crochet, then chain 2, then 1 single crochet, all in the same stitch. This next stitch is the double crochet of the previous row. And of course, now we do 1 single crochet into the next 7 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we do a slip stitch into the next chain until we reach the center of the ring. And of course, join with a slip stitch to complete the heart. So now of course cut the yarn and grab your tapestry needle, then weave all the tails inside the work. So let me show you the finished super fast heart. Of course, you can create a smaller or bigger heart using a smaller or bigger crochet hook, and you can use any yarns. For example, for this heart I've made before, I've used cotton yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook, and this one I use a 4 millimeters hook. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your super fast heart. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!